6. Greek yogurt, fruits, and groundnuts. Why it works? 1. It supports gut health. 2. It helps in digestion and light but energizing. 7. Leftover rice, eggs, and vegetables. Fast practicals for busy mornings. Balanced nutrients when done well. Simple nutrition explanation. Think of your body like a generator. If you don't fuel it properly in the morning, it struggles to start. It becomes unstable and it shuts down quickly. Good breakfast is equal to stable energy. Bad breakfast is equal to energy crashes. Let's be honest, you don't need fancy diet plans. You just need consistency, simple food choice, and better morning habits. Skipping breakfast is not saving your time, it's stealing your energy. If this video helped you, do this. Comment, I will stop skipping breakfast, and share this video with someone who always complains of tired morning. And subscribe for simple, realistic health tips that actually works. Bye bye. See you in the next video.